Hi cake lovers, welcome to Cakes Factory. Today's video is bursting with color because we are showing 20 colorful cake ideas. Today's videos that are perfect for birthdays, celebrations, or just bringing some joy to your table. Let's jump into these bold and beautiful colorful bakes. The first one is classic rainbow layer cake. Six or sweet, seven bright colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, staked with creamy white frosting. The ultimate party cake. The next is pastel rainbow color, softer tone of the rainbow for a sweet and elegant look. Perfect for baby showers or elegant, gentle themed birthdays. The next is Ombre cake, layer cake. One color fading from light to dark across each layer, like pink to deep rose or mint to emerald. So pretty and classy. The next is sprinkle surprise cake. Rainbow layers inside covered in white frosting outside, but when you cut it, sprinkles fall out from the center. The next is watercolor effect cake. Soft color smudges on the side with matching pastel layers inside. Art meets desserts. The next is fruit inspired layered cake. Thick yellow, lemon, strawberry pink, kiwi green, and blurry blueberry purple. All fruit stones stuck in a fun way. The next is color block cake. Bold, straight color layers, no blending, just strong contrast between each one. Great for a modern look. The next is really pink layer cake. Four shades for pink inside, from blush to hot pink, with floral piping on top. Cute and classy. The next is neon layer cake. Bright neon colors take inside with black or dark chocolate outside. Light up every slice. The next is sunset layer cake. Orange, yellow, pink, and lavender. Just like a beautiful sunset in every bite. The next is candy layer cake. Rainbow layers filled with candy between each one. Add Jimmy's lollipops or chocolate bite for extra fun. The next is purple fantasy cake. Layers in lilac, lavender, and plum. Perfect for gold accent or a unicorn theme. The next is gift box cake. A box shaped cake with colorful sprinkles inside, decorated like a wrap gift on the outside. The next is ocean wave layer cake. Sea blue and navy layers inside with wave like frosting swirl outside, perfect for beach theme. The next is unicorn color cake. Layer colors in pastel pink, blue, yellow, and aqua, with pipe unicorn hair and ears on top. The next is tropical vibe cake. The next is galaxy layer cake. Deep colors like navy, black, violet, and silver create a magical galaxy look inside and out. The next is mini color layer cake. Mini version of rainbow layer cakes. Great for gifting and parties. The next is multi-layer celebration cakes. The next is floral pastel cake. Fresh, delight, and elegant. Up to 8 and 10 layer, each one different color and flavor. Great for big celebration and wow, moments. And that's our list of 20 colorful cake ideas. Which one would you love to try at next celebration? Comment us in the and don't forget to like, subscribe to Cakes Factory and hit the bell icon so you never miss any more fun cake video only on Cakes Factory. And comment below which one do you like the most. Thank you for watching. See you in the next sweet video. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Goodbye.